Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you this beautiful yet super simple and easy tribal nail design. But before I begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon as well. Now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So we'll start the nail design by applying a base coat. Once the base coat dries, I'm gonna apply yellow polish as my base color. As you guys can see, my polish is really thin, so I'm gonna apply another coat once the first coat dries. Then once the yellow polish has dried completely, I'm gonna take black nail polish and a liner brush. I'm gonna dip the liner brush into the black polish and create a horizontal line as shown. Then I'm gonna fill in the space above this line with tiny sleek vertical lines using the same liner brush like so. Then I'm gonna take red nail polish and a longer liner brush like this one. You can totally continue with the previous brush as well. I've opted for this one just because it's a little more convenient. So then I'm gonna dip this brush into the red nail polish and make a horizontal line just a little below the black line like so. Then once again, I'm gonna take the smaller liner brush, dip it into the black polish and make another thin black line below the red line as shown. And once again, I'll be creating another black line just a little below the previous line like so. Next, I'm gonna fill in the space between these two lines by making a zigzag pattern like so. Now, using a flat brush dipped in nail polish remover, I'm gonna get rid of any excess polish that has been left. Now repeat the same design on all the other nails as well. Finally, I'm going to set the design by applying a glossy top coat. Once you're done, your nails are gonna look somewhat like this. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed this video, hit on that like button, share your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it's absolutely free, and also hit on the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. I'll see you guys next time with more such videos. Till then, bye.